Hello everyone, welcome back to another beautiful English learning lesson with me. Today we are going to learn English at the market. Yes, a place where you and I go just about every day to buy groceries, fruits, vegetables, and sometimes even just to look around. By the end of this video, you'll not only learn words related to the market, you'll also learn how to use them naturally. So let's get started. Look around you. So many people, so many things. This place is called a market. Repeat, a market. Take a look. People come here to buy and sell things. Okay, look at this. This is a stall. Repeat, a stall. A stall is a place where someone sells everyday items. We call it a stall. And look at this man. He is a vendor. Repeat, a vendor. Who is a vendor? A vendor is a person who sells everyday items at a stall. Okay, so I am at a counter. This is a counter. We see counters at big shops like this. It's the place where you pay money. You see this paper showing the proof of payment? What do we call it? It's a receipt. Repeat, a receipt. This is a stack. What's a stack? A stack is a pile of things, one on the top of the other. A stack. Shopkeepers do this to look organized. A stack. What is he doing? He's making a display. Repeat, making a display. Why? He's making a display so that customers feel like buying. He's making a display. This market does not have a lot of people. It's not crowded. Repeat, not crowded. But when a market has a lot of people in it, we call it a crowded market. Repeat, a crowded market. Is this crowded? No, it's not crowded. You see these items? Apples, bananas, cucumber. These are called fresh produce. Repeat, fresh produce. Yes, fresh produce are fruits and vegetables that are freshly grown and ready to eat. Take a look at this. These are bananas. They are ripe. Ripe. It means they are ready to be eaten. You can eat them. Yellow, soft, and sweet. But if a fruit is not ready to be eaten yet, it's unripe. Focus. These bananas are unripe. Means they are still hard and green. Unripe. Let's eat an apple. Oops. It's bruised. You see? Bruised. That means it has brown spots on it. Perhaps because it got pressed somewhere. This apple is bruised. Let's not eat it. And this one, it's gone bad. Soft, smelly, and spoiled. It's rotten. Repeat, rotten apple. Not good for eating. He's a shopkeeper and he's weighing my bananas. To weigh means to check how heavy something is. Okay. These leaves are sold in bundles. Bundle. Tied together with a rubber band, we call it a bundle of coriander. So next time when you go to the market, you can say, please give me a bundle of coriander. This is a bundle of coriander. The vendor is sprinkling water on the vegetables. Sprinkle. To sprinkle means to scatter water on the vegetables to keep them fresh. Sprinkle. But here is an interesting word for you. Organic. Repeat, organic. These vegetables are organic. Means they are grown naturally without using chemicals or pesticides. Guys, if you ever visit Sector 14 market in Gurugram, do not forget to visit Panditji Fruits and Vegetables It's in the center of Sector 14 Huda Market. We are at a dairy. This shop is a dairy shop. Anything that comes from milk, we get it from here. We call it dairy. Things like butter, cheese, milk, they're all called dairy products. Repeat, dairy products. All right, take a look at these. This is a packet and this is a pouch. What's the difference? A packet is something packed in paper or cardboard, and pouch is a soft plastic pack. A packet and a pouch. Look here. When food is kept to preserve it, we say it's frozen. Repeat, frozen. These peas are frozen peas. And when we bring out the food to make it soft again, we call it defrosting. Repeat, defrosting. I just took out these frozen peas to defrost them. Every food has ingredients. Repeat, ingredients. What are ingredients? Things that are used to make it. For example, this fruit yogurt has full cream milk, sugar, milk solids, and blueberry fruit. Ingredients. And of course, every food has its flavor. Repeat, flavor. Its special taste. Some foods are spicy, some are salty, but this one, it's sweet. Its flavor is sweet. Look at the packaging. There is a small printed date on it. We call it the expiry date. Repeat, the expiry date. The expiry date tells you when you should not use the product anymore. Expiry date. Some products also show their shelf life. Means how long they stay good before they expire. For example, if this yogurt has a shelf life of 3 days, it means after 3 days, it will expire. You cannot eat this yogurt if its shelf life is 3 days. I can have it now. So take a look. This small piece of paper you see, please bring it closer. You see the small piece of paper? This is a price tag. Repeat, a price tag. A price tag is a piece of paper that tells how much the item costs. If it says 1000, I have to pay 1000 rupees. A price tag. So my friends, that was my journey at the market. You just didn't learn English today. You experienced it. Keep learning. Now, Amrit and I, we are tired and we are going to go into the South store in Sector 14 market and have something delicious to eat. My friend Tirupati Naidu is going to give us something really nice to eat. Let's go.
Come inside, sir.